Welcome back to the kitchen, y'all. We are about to make Cowboy Caviar. I gotta get the rest of my stuff. I was about to leave to go pick up my Walmart order, but it's been delayed. So I think I have time to get this made before they tell me that the order's ready. So if you've never had Cowboy Caviar before, it is really good. I can't remember where we had it the first time, but one of the restaurants that we eat at a lot, we've taken y'all to a lot, Cowboys and Angels in Helen, they serve it as an appetizer. I'm gonna show y'all how to make it in case you wanna make it for New Year's Eve or something like that. Any other kind of holiday party you might be having. I know some people are still having Christmas parties. So we've got tomatoes. I am gonna need to chop these up since they're not already diced. Then we have black-eyed peas, black beans, corn, green chilies. You can use Ro-Tel if you have that, the tomatoes and green chilies already together. We've got avocado. We only need one of these though. And I have a red onion somewhere. Where did I put that onion? Found it, red onion. The first thing we're gonna do is drain and rinse the black-eyed peas and the black beans. And the corn too. So we'll rinse these and then we'll add the corn in to drain it. I'm gonna go ahead and open these tomatoes and I'll chop them up real quick. Tomatoes. Okay, now we need the green chilies. Now we'll get the onion ready and the avocado. At Cowboys and Angels, they have fresh tortilla chips that they serve, like they fry them there themselves. And I've done that here at home. It's really good. We actually made a copycat of their pimento cheese before too. Also very good. And would make a great appetizer for New Year's Eve. I think we're just gonna need half of that onion. Put just a little bit of chili powder. If you have a taco seasoning pack, you can use that too. Some ground cumin. And a little bit of salt and pepper. If you have lime, you can use lime for this part. I'm just going to use a little bit of lemon juice. And then we have some zesty Italian dressing. I'm going to start with just about half a cup of this and then we'll mix it and see if we need a little bit more. Okay, I'm going to taste it. We'll see what we've got. I think we need a little more chili powder. That's good. Okay, there it is, Cowboy Caviar. I'll just transfer it to the smaller bowl now, cover it, and put it in the refrigerator.
Saturday, everybody. We're fixing to begin to cook.
And cook Christmas.
I'm gonna need some bacon.
Why are you shooting up at the ceiling?
I'm not, they are. What y'all looking at our ceiling for?
Why are they?
We do the smell test down here in the south. Even though we know it's been in the refrigerator and the date's good, we still want to smell it. We want to make sure we're going to be okay. We're going to be just fine with that. All right, let me grab my pan. We're going to start out with some good old green beans, everybody. Good old green beans. Old iron skillet.
I just got back from the store. We have leg quarters that he's gonna smoke for supper to go with our Cowboy Caviar. And he's making green beans.
Green beans, we're gonna make some country green beans.
And I think baked potatoes or smoked. You wanna smoke them? They cook fast on that green egg.
I can smoke them out there on the smoker.
Yeah.
She's right, they'll cook very fast on that
Like,
green egg.
especially if right when you put them on and
Yeah, that thing will cook them taters
Yeah.
like that. I mean like that. We're enjoying
Onion attack.
chasing my onions around the kitchen. Now I'm glad my iron skillet get hot right now. We're kind of enjoying this warm, almost summertime weather out there.
Yes.
Fallon's got flip-flops on outside. It's almost like summer out there. So
It really is.
we're enjoying this because, as we know, it will get back cold in just a few days. Oh, I got my iron skillet over there and it is getting hot. Thing is getting hot. Listen to that. Cooking my onions here.
After we picked up the groceries at Walmart, we went to the creamery to get the milk, and they have this Christmas tree ice cream. It doesn't say what Christmas tree ice cream is, so we're gonna find out.
Pine needles.
What color do you think it is?
Green.
Should be green, but it's white
It's white
with green and red sprinkles.
sprinkles. Let's see what it tastes
Fun,
like.
fatty.
I already got mine.
Manly's got his spoon.
How is it, Mama?
Kind of tastes like birthday cake ice cream, but without the cake pieces, you know? It actually does have a little bit of a green tint to it. See?
It does. Like I say, while it's kind of feeling like summer, we're gonna enjoy ourselves with that grill. Of course, we grill out all the time anyway, even through the winter months. I mean, I love smoking meat. That's actually one of the things I've started to really love to do is to cook. I love it. I'm not good at it, folks. I'm not good at it, but I like to do it. It's kind of like some people wanting to be an artist. You know, they get the hairdo kind of like Bob Ross, but they ain't got that touch for, you know, making them happy little trees and stuff. I mean, keep doing it. Who knows, you might make a happy tree one day look like a happy tree.
Well, you can make a real small.
I might end up coming up with some kind of really good cookie recipe one day. You never know what can happen.
Miracles do happen.
Miracles do happen, folks. They really do.
I'm gonna take these out for Jonah and Sissy.
We get our big pot right here, and we're gonna transfer everything over the big pot here. You pour you some chicken broth over into your big pot. Now I'm taking the green beans at this point, cutting them open, and we're going to transfer our green beans over into our big pot. I got this bacon just right. And this is only going to be for flavor here, everybody. I may take this one out just because I think that's something I might want to eat here in a minute. But the rest of it is going over into this deal for flavor, including the grease. And you can say drippings if that makes you feel better. We're going to transfer it right down in there, like that right there. Country green beans. Country green beans.
Okay.
See, the kid just asked me what I was making.
They love the Christmas tree ice cream.
I'm gonna go ahead and get all my flavor off the bottom of my pan here. See what that looks like? We're gonna put some water in here, and you're gonna be very surprised how great these green beans are here in just a little while. Now, the only other thing you need to do to these green beans right here is just add salt and pepper. I'm gonna go out here and start the grill now. We saved our stuff from the other day. Our horseradish sauce, or whatever you want to call it, horseradish
Rub.
rub.
I'm gonna go ahead and get the potatoes ready to go on the smoker. So I'm just gonna poke some holes in them. I'm only doing 4 because it's just 5 of us here. Most of the time, the kids don't eat a whole potato anyway. If they eat a baked potato, they just eat half of it. So I'm just gonna do 4. Bucket fishing?
Yeah, I wonder if I got anything in this pile.
Nope. Got one over here today. I'm gonna eat my Christmas orange out here. Mm-hmm. Fork drop?
That's a fork drop right there. That's good.